Exercise number 3.3. Solve the following equations and check your results. Sub question number 1. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18 they given. I will make variables one side, constant one side. 3x as it is 3x plus 2x I will take to the left side part. It will become minus 2x is equal to, here remaining number is 18. 3x minus 2x, subtraction of 3x and 2x, answer is only x is equal to 18. I got x value, that is 18. Now I will verify my answer. Actually the given 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. I will substitute the value of x in x place. 3 into, wherever x is there I will substitute 18 now. 18 is equal to 2 times of x value is 18 plus 18. 18 3 is 54 is equal to 18 2 is 36 plus 18. 54 is equal to 36 plus 18. Your answer is 54. It means left side is equal to right side part. LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Left side is equal to right side part. Next, sub question number 3. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. First I will make variables one side, numbers one side. Therefore 5x as it is 5x plus 3x I will take to the left side. It will become minus 3x is equal to 5 as it is 5 plus 9 I will take to the right side part. It will become minus 9. 5x minus 3x answer is 2 times of x is equal to 9 minus 5 answer is 4. Bigger number 9 is having minus means minus 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. I got x value minus 2. Now verification. Actually they given 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. In the place of x I will substitute now minus 2. 5 into minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2. Plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10 plus 9 is equal to 5 as it is 5 plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6. 9 minus 10 or 10 minus 9 answer is 1. Bigger number 10 is having minus means minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 5 answer is 1. Bigger number 6 is having minus. Therefore left side is equal to right side part. LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Sub question number 5th one. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. First I will make variables one side, constant one side. 2x as it is 2x, so minus 1x I will take to the left side part. It will become plus 1x. Here 14 as it is 14, minus 1 I will shift to the right side. It will become plus 1. 2x plus 1x answer is 3x is equal to 14 plus 1 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. X value I got now 5. Next verification. Verification, first I will write the given equation, that is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. In the place of x I will substitute x value as 5. 2 times of 5 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x place is 5. 2 5 is 10 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 5 answer is 9. 10 minus 1 answer is 9. 9 is equal to 9. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, answer is verified. Next directly I will move to the question number 8th one, because remaining all are easy is there. You can take it as a practice questions. Write it in rough book and send it to me. Sub question number 8th one. 2x plus 1 is equal to 7x divided by 15 plus 3. First I will make variables one side, then constant one side. 7x upon 15 as it is 7x upon 15. Bigger number I taken here only. Small number 2x plus 3 I will shift to it to the right side part. It will become minus 2x upon 3 is equal to, here 1 as it is 1 only, plus 3 I will shift to left side. It will become minus 3. 1 minus 3 answer is minus 2 is equal to 15 and 3 is LCM value is 15. 15 1s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 7x 1s are 7x minus 2 5s are 10. 10 into x is 10x. Next minus 2 is equal to 10x minus 7x. Subtraction of 10x and 7x answer is 3x, but 10 containing minus, bigger number 10 is having minus means minus 3x upon 15. Next this minus left side minus right side minus get cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Since we want the value of x is equal to this denominator 5, after shifting to the left side part, it will become multiplication. Division number after shifting, it will become multiplication. 2 5 is a 10. It means you got x value as 10. Next, verification. The given equation is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. In the place of x, I will substitute this one. X is equal to 10. 2 times of x value is 10 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 into x value is 10 divided by 15 plus 3. Next step, 2 tens are 20 by 3 plus 1. Denominator nothing is there, means 1 is equal to 7 tens are 70 divided by 15 plus 3. Denominator nothing is there, means 1. 3 and 1 LCM is 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 3s are 3. 21s are 20 plus 1 3s are 3 is equal to 15 and 1s are LCM is 15. 15 ones are 15. 1 15s are 15. 70 ones are 70 plus 3 15s are 45. 15 3s are 45. Next, 20 plus 3 is 23 divided by 3 is equal to 70 plus 45. Your answer is 115 divided by 15. Next, these two numbers I will cancel using a 5 table, because these two numbers comes under 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 1 remains 15. 5 3s are 15. It means left side 23 divided by 3 and right side also 23 divided by 3. Left side LHS is equal to right side RHS. Hence answer is verified. Next, exercise number 3.4, question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Amina thinks a number, means I will take that number as x. Then she subtract 5 by 2 from it. That number is x. She subtract 5 by 2 from it, means x minus 5 by 2. And this result is multiplied by 8. I will write this equation and I will show. Amina thinking that number, I will take it as x. Let the number be. Let the number be x. And she is subtracting 5 by 2 from it. That number is x. She is subtracting 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. This is the result and she is multiplying this result by 8. Bracket is there in, means it is multiplied by 8. The result is now obtained is 3 times the is equals to 3 times the she number thought of. Actually she thought the number that is x. It means 3 times that number. What is that number? It means you need to find out the value of x. How to solve this one? First I will open this bracket. 8 into x is 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2. We want to multiply 8 and 5 by 2. 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. You can observe 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 8x minus 4 5s are what? 20 is equal to 3x. Next, variables, constants are there. I will make variables and constants different. First I will write 8x as it is 8x plus 3x I will take to the left side. It will become minus 3x is equal to. I will make here numbers. Minus 20 I will shift to the right side. It will become plus 20. 8x minus 3x, it means total 5x is equal to 20. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. X value I got 4. X value is 4. It means she thought that number that is 4. It is your answer. Next, sub question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? For the understanding of this question, we will take a small 2-digit number. If I take a 2-digit number, example 34. 34 is a 2-digit number. How to write this 34? The digits means 3 and 4. If I am asking digits, what are the digits of 34 means, you will say that 3 and 4 are the digits. Number means how to write. 34 can be written as 3 into 10 plus 4 because 3 is there in tens place, 4 is there in units place. So we can write 3 into 10 plus 4. This is the number. But actually 34 is not our required number. So I don't know that 2-digit number. I will take, let the 2-digit number be, let 2-digit number is a xy. What is the number? Number can be written as x is there in tens place and y is there in units place. X into 10 plus y. If digits means x and y, digits are what? X and y are the digits. According to the question, you can read in your textbook, sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Sum of these digits is 9 they given. It means first equation is x plus y is equal to 9 they given. Sum of the digits is 9. Next, when we interchange the digits, I will write this number. We take a number as x into 10 is 10x plus y. When we interchange the digits, if the digits are interchanged, means x place will now become y and y place will change into x. That is 10y plus x. By interchanging the digits, the number will 10y plus x. This is the new number. According to question they given, this new number is 27 more than the previous number. 27 more than previous number. Actually the previous number is 10x plus y. I will write 10x plus y. I will write one more time. The new number is 10y plus x is 27 greater than or more than previous number. Previous number is 10x plus y. Let's make y terms one side, x terms one side, number one side. 10y as it is 10y plus y, I will shift to the left side, it will become minus y. This plus 1x as it is plus 1x, I will shift to this plus 10x to the left side, it will become minus 10x. This number constant as it is constant in the right side part. 10y minus 1y, your answer is now 9y. Plus 1x minus 10x, subtraction of 10x and 1x, your answer is 9x. Bigger number 10 is having minus, means minus 9x is equal to 27. Next, 9 27, I will divide using 9 because 9 27 can be reduced by 9. It means I will divide this whole equation by 9. 9 is divided by 9, only y is remaining. 9 is divided by 9 means only x is remaining, because 9 1 is 9, only 1 is there, is equal to. If 27 is divided by 9, how much is 27? 9 3 is 27. This is second equation. You can observe this is the first equation. Here I got second equation. Next I will add these two equations. Simply I am going to add these two equations. That is y minus x is equal to 3. I will write here, add equation number 1 and 2. This is y minus x is equal to 3. It is y plus x is equal to 9. Y plus x is equal to 9. By adding, plus x minus x get cancelled. Plus x minus x means 0, it is cancelled. Y plus y is 2y. 2y is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. Y answer is what? Y answer I got 6. This is third equation. After getting y value, since I want x value also, therefore I will substitute this third equation in second equation. I will take this second equation. Second equation is y minus x is equal to 3. I will write y minus x is equal to 3. In the place of y, I will write this 6. In the place of y, I will write 6, means 6 minus x is equal to 3. Since I want x value, minus x I will shift to right side, it will become plus x. Plus 3 I will shift to left side, it will become minus 3. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, your answer is 3. It is x value. I got x value is 3 and y value is 6. Since we taken 2-digit number, that is xy, we taken 2-digit number, that is xy. Therefore, the 2-digit number is xy. X means 3, y means 6. It means the 2-digit number, that is 36. x value in the place of x I written 3, in the place of y I written 6, 2-digit number, actually that is 36. Next question number 5th one, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother present age. What are their present ages? In this question we are talking about two persons age. One is mother age, Shobo's mother age. Second one is Shobo's age only. Shobo means she is a daughter, and here mother also is there. Mother age and daughter age we are talking about. Total two persons are there. Question, we don't know mother age and Shobo's age. Therefore we will take let the mother age is mother present age. Mother's present age is x and Shobo's present age I will take it as y years. According to the question, Shobo's mother present age is 6 times of Shobo's present age. You can observe in your textbook, Shobo's mother present age is 6 times of Shobo's present age. Mother present age we taken as x is equal to 6 times of Shobo's present age is y. It means x is equal to 6y. This is equation number 1. Next, half part of the next question I'm going to read now. Shobo's age 5 years from now. Present age of Shoba is y is there. After 5 years, Shobo's present age will become y plus 5. I will write after 5 years, Shobo's age will be y plus 5. According to question, they given after 5 years Shobo's age is 1/3 of mother's present age. 1/3 of mother's present age. After 5 years Shoba's age I shown here y plus 5. That is y plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of mother's present age we taken starting, that is x. It means we are going to write here x. Next, to make it linear equation, I will multiply 3 to this numerator. 3 into 5, 3y plus 3 5 is 15 is equal to 1 into x is x. Next, you can observe from equation number 1, x means 6y. In the place of x, I am going to write 6y. In the place of x, I am going to write a 6y is equal to 3y plus 15. I written from equation number 1. Next, make variables one side and constant one side. 6y as it is 6y plus 3y I will shift to the right side, it will become minus 3y is equal to left side remaining is 15. 15 as it is 15 is equal to 6y minus 3y, your answer is 3y. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Y answer is 5. Y means what? Y means Shoba's age. We got Shoba's age. After getting Shoba's age, let's calculate the mother age also. From equation number 1, actually x is a mother age. We want to calculate x value. X is equal to equation is there in equation number 1. Substitute y value in equation number 1. I will write here substitute y is equal to 5 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X is equal to 6y. I will take this one. X is equal to 6y. X is equal to 6 into y value is 5. 6 5 is 30. It means x is equal to 30. Therefore, mother age we taken x answer is 30 years. Since next Shobo's age we taken y answer is 5 years. This is your answer. Next, exercise number 3.5. Remaining questions in previous exercise you can take it as practice questions and write them in rough book and complete the answers all in fair only. Exercise number 3.5, question number 1, solve the following linear equations. Sub question number 1, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. First we will make variables one side, constant one side. X by 2 as it is x by 2 plus x by 3 I will shift to the left side, it will become minus x by 3 is equal to this 1 by 4 as it is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 I will shift to the right side, it will become plus 1 by 5. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. 2 how much is 6? 2 3s are 6. 3 how much is 6? 3 2s are 6. 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into x is 2x is equal to, here also same, we will take a LCM of 4 and 5. 4 and 5 LCM is 20. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 4s are 4. Next step, 3x minus 2x, answer is only 1x divided by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 divided by 20. To get the value of x, I am going to shift this 6 to the numerator. This division 6 will shift and makes multiplication with 9. X is equal to 9 into 6 divided by 20. 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. Final answer is 9 3s are 27 divided by 10. This is your answer. If you want to write in mixed fraction means you need to write this 10 as it is 10. 10 table near 27. I written this 10 as it is 10. 10 table near 27, that is 10 2s are 20. 7 is remaining. This is in mixed fraction. It's enough. Next, sub question number 3 I am going to explain now. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Let's make variables one side, constant one side. X minus 8x by 3 minus 5x by 2, I will shift to left side, it will become plus 5x by 2 is equals to, here numbers only, 17 by 6, this plus 7 I am going to shift to the right side, it will become minus 7, denominator nothing is there means 1. Here also same, x denominator nothing is there means 1. 1 3 2s LCM value is 1 3 2 LCM value is 3 2s are total 6 is the LCM. 1 how much is 6? 1 6 are 6. 3 how much is 6? 3 2s are 6. 2 how much is 6? 2 3s are 6. 6 into x is 6x minus 8 2s are 16x plus 5 3s are 15x is equal to 6 and 1 LCM is 6. 6 how much is 6? 6 1s are 1 how much are 1 6 are 17 1s are 17 minus 7 6 are 42. Next, 6x minus 16x. One number positive, one number negative means subtraction. 16x minus 6x, 10x, but minus 10x. Bigger number 16 is having minus 10x. Minus 10 plus one number negative, one number positive means subtraction. 15x minus 10x, answer is 5x divided by 6 is equal to 42 minus 17. 42 minus 17, answer is 25, but minus 25 because 42 bigger number having minus divided by 6. This 6 get cancelled. Next remaining is 5x is equal to minus 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, x value is minus 5. X value is minus 5. It completes sub question number 3. Next, I am going to explain this fifth one, and you can take fourth and sixth as practice questions. 3t minus 2 divided by 4 is equal to, sorry, it is a minus or plus, it is not visible. This fifth one, it is properly not visible, therefore I am going for sixth question. M minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus of m minus 2 divided by 3. I will write this in notebook and I will explain. Let's make variables one side, constant one side. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. M by 1 minus of m minus 1 divided by 2. This minus term, negative term, after shifting to the left side it will become plus. Plus of m minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to right side only 1 is there. 1 2 3 LCM value is 6. Because 2 3s are 6, 1 is there means 6 bigger number is the LCM value. 1 how much is 6? 1 6 are 2 how much is 6? 2 3s are this total term by 3. 3 how much are 3 2s are 6. Next multiplication. 6 into m is 6m minus inside the bracket 3 into m is 3m plus into minus is minus 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 into m is 2m minus 2 2 is 4 is equal to 1. This denominator 6 waste is there. I am going to shift to the right side part. It will become multiplication. Division 6 after shifting it will become multiplication. 6 1 ja 6. Next I will open this bracket. Because of minus I written inside the bracket. Here not written because here plus is there, but minus is there means the numbers are going to change after opening the bracket. Next 6m minus into plus is minus 3m minus into minus is plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 as it is 2m minus 4. 6m minus 3m, subtraction of 6 and 3, answer is 3m. 3m plus 2m, 5m, I will write 5m. 3 minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 6. We want to calculate m value, therefore I will write equation for 5m is equal to minus 1. After shifting to the right side it will become plus 1. 6 plus 1, answer is 7. Since we want only m value, m is equal to this multiplied 5 comes to the denominator part, that is 7 by 5. This is your answer. In question number 7, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, I will explain only 10th one and remaining you can solve. If you want means 8th and 10th I am going to explain now. 8th as well as 10th one. 8th one, 15 into bracket y minus 4 minus 2 into bracket y minus 9 plus 5 into bracket y plus 6 is equal to 0. First let us open this bracket. 15 into y is 15y plus into minus is minus 15 4s are 60 minus 2 into y is 2y minus into minus is plus 2 9s are 18 plus into plus is plus 5 into y is 5y plus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 0. 15y minus 2y 13y 13y plus 5y 18y is equal to, I will shift all these numbers to the right side part. Minus 60 shifting to the right side it will become plus 60, plus 18 after shifting to the right side it will become minus 18, plus 30 after shifting right side it will become minus 30. Next 18y is equal to 60 minus 18. You can observe 60 minus 18, your answer is 48. 48 minus 30, you can observe answer is plus 18. Therefore 18 1 18, 18 1 18, y answer I got, that is 1. This is your answer. Next last question of this exercise, that is 0.25 into bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into bracket 10f minus 9. We written this one, 0.25 into bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. 0.25 into 4, answer is 1. How? I will explain. You can observe here. 0.25 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry 4 0s are 0. But 1 is remaining a 1. After 2 digit 1 point. Therefore 2 digit after point means 1.00. Answer is 1. 1 into f is only 1f minus 0.25 into 3 is 0.75. 25 3 is 75. 2 digit after pointer, therefore pointer 0 as it is 0.75 is equal to 0.05 into 10. 0.05 into 10, you can observe 0.05 into 10. Answer is 0.5. How it will come? You can check this one. 10 5s are 50, 5 carry. 10 zeros are 0, but 5 is remaining 5. 10 zeros are 0. After 2 digit point means 0.50. 0.50 f minus of 0.05 into 9. 0.05 into 9. 0.05 into 9. 9 5s are 45, 4 carry. 9 zeros are 0, but 4 remaining 4. 9 zeros are 0. After 2 digit point is there 0.45. 0.45. Let us make variables one side and a constant one side. This f as it is f plus 0.50 f shifting to the left side it will become minus 0.50 f is equal to This negative minus 0.75, after shifting to the right side it will become plus 0.75, minus of this number, minus of 0.45. Next, 1f minus 0.50f, this is 1f, this is a half f, your answer is 0.50 only. 1 can be written as 1.00, you can observe 1f can be written as 1.00 and this is 0.50. By subtraction of these two you will get 0.50 only. 0.50f is equal to 0.75 minus 0.45. 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3, 0 minus 0 is 0. It means 0.30. We want to calculate f value. F is equal to 0.30. Multiplied number comes to the denominator part, that is 0.50. Next step. 0.0 both get cancel. This 0, this is also get cancel. F value is 3 upon 5. This is your answer. We got the answer 3 by 5. To write in a simplest form or a decimal form, 5 table not containing 3, therefore I will take 0.3 will now become 30. 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. Therefore F answer is also 0.6. It completes exercise number 3.5. Next exercise number 3.6. Question number 1. Solve the following equations. You need to solve the following equations. First, second, third, fourth, fifth similar are there. I am going to explain first one and last one. Remaining middle you can take it as practice. 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. I will write this one. Denominator 3x, I will shift to the right side part, it will become multiplication. Division number will become multiplication after shifting. 8x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the 6x. Let's make variables one side, constant one side, 8x as it is 8x plus 6x. I will shift to the left side, it will become minus 6x is equal to minus 3. Number I am going to shift right side, it will become plus 3. 8x minus 6x, answer is 2x is equal to 3. If I write an equation for x is equal to multiplied number comes to the denominator part, that is 3 by 2. Therefore x answer is 3 by 2. Similarly, fifth one. 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. I am just cross multiplying these two equations so that it will convert into linear equation, or in single line only I will get the equation. I will multiply this whole number by 3. 3 is multiplied with this whole number and minus 4 is multiplied with this whole number. This is called as cross multiplication. 3 into 7y, 3 7s are 21y plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to, this whole number is multiplied by minus 4. Minus 4 into y is minus 4y. Minus into plus is minus 4 2s are 8. Next I will make variables one side, constant one side. This 21y as it is 21y minus 4y, after shifting to the left side it will become plus 4y is equal to minus as it 8 as it is minus 8 plus 12. I will shift, it will become minus 12. 21y plus 4y total 25y is equal to minus 8 to minus 12. If two numbers are having minus means I will keep this minus as it is and I will add these two numbers. 12 plus 8 answer is 20. Since we want the value of y is equal to minus 20 divided by this multiplied number 25 comes to the denominator, becomes minus 20 divided by 25. Both numbers can be cancelled by 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Y answer is minus 4 divided by 5. Minus 4 divided by 5. This is your answer. Next, sixth question. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Read one more time question. Hari and Harry are the ratios 5:7. Present age this one. 4 years from now, it means after 4 years, their age ratio will become 3:4. Find their present age. I don't know present age of Hari as well as Harry. I will take this. They given present age ratio. Present age ratio they given 5:7. It means this is Hari, this one is Harry. 5x is to 7x. Therefore we can write present age of Hari, it is 5x, and Harry is 7x. According to the question, after 4 years, their ages will change. After 4 years, Hari will become, 4 years will be extra. Present is 5x. After 4 years, 4 is added to this 5x. It means 5x plus 4. After 4 years, Harry is also 4 years more than previous one. Present 7x is there. After 4 years means plus 4. They given after 4 years, the ratio will become 3:4. After 4 years, their ages will become 3:4. Hari age is 5x plus 4. Harry age is 7x plus 4. And the ratio will become 3:4 or 3/4. Let make its linear equation by cross multiplication. 4 5s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Let's make variable one side, constant one side. 21x as it is 21x here only. Small 20x I will shift to the right side, it will become minus 20x. Here 16 as it is 16 plus 12 I will shift to the left side, it will become minus 12. 16 minus 12, answer is 4 is equal to 21x minus 20x, answer is only x. I got x value. A present age of Hari is 5x. This is only you need to take. I will write here. Therefore, present age of Hari. Hari is present age we taken 5x. 5 times of x. 5 times of x value is 4. 5 4s are 20 years. And present age of Harry. Present age of Harry we taken 7x. We taken 7x. Therefore 7 into x value is 4. 7 4s are 28 years. 20 and 28 years.